Hello everyone, today let us explore Ubuntu in Virtualbox. Step 1. Installing Virtualbox. Open terminal on your PC and type the following command sudo apt install Virtualbox and press enter. Now you have to type your password and press enter once again to confirm the installation. Step 2. Creating the virtual machine. Launch Virtualbox from the menu. Click on the blue colored new button. This screen pops up and you just have to enter the OS name and type and click next. Now choose your RAM size. Make sure you have sufficient RAM for your host PC as well as your virtual machine. And click on create virtual hard disk now and click create. Now choose the VDI option. It is the recommended one, and now I recommend you to choose a dynamically allocated storage. Now choose your storage size. 10 gigabytes is the minimum and I am going to select 25 gigabytes. Now select the video memory and give a little share for it. Now click on the green arrow to start the virtual machine. Step 3. Installing Ubuntu. In this screen, click on the folder icon and click on add button and choose your ISO file. The instructions for the ISO file are given in the description. Now click on choose and click start. Now press enter and wait for a while. Now Ubuntu has successfully started. Now you get this screen. Click on install Ubuntu and choose your language. Now choose your keyboard layout or just let it do it automatically by typing in the text box. Here a normal installation would be better, but I prefer choosing minimal installation here. And also make sure that you check the last box which installs third-party software for graphics and other hardware, and click continue. can install Ubuntu and click on install now. Click continue. And choose your location and click continue. Now fill in all these details, your name and your computer's name and a username with a strong password. Once you are done, click continue. Now the installation is getting done, and here you can watch the highlights of the operating system. Now it is done. Click on restart now. Now select your preferences and click done. Step 4, testing. Now after a restart, I get this full screen view of this operating system. The machine works really well. Thanks for watching.